We're also taking a closer look today at the challenges that face the LGBTQ+ community. There is still a stigma about seeking help for mental health. Health and wellness reporter Lauren Petty has some advice to support your loved ones.
Pride Month is a celebration of the LGBTQ+ community, but the joyful revelry of parades and parties doesn't diminish a community in pain.
Compared to the general population, people who are part of the LGBTQ community are nearly half as times higher, 50% higher rate of suicide.
Luma Bonilla-Webster is a program manager for the Illinois chapter of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention.
One of the most common mental health issues is depression and anxiety, right? And we know that those things, if they're not well treated, can lead to more extreme depression and even to, thoughts of suicide.
Luma is leading a presentation titled Talk Saves Lives, sharing suicide risk factors and warning signs in the LGBTQ community, as well as simple ways to show support.
If you have someone around you who is part of the community, uplift them, check in on them, ask them what they need.
People often don't know how to have that conversation. They worry that if they ask about suicide, it could be a trigger. But research shows it's okay to ask, are you thinking about suicide?
Specifically, naming it, are you thinking about suicide? Yes, research has said that people who are asked that question feel seen and they feel relief.
Many in the community fear asking for help because they don't know who to talk to.
Sometimes they're afraid to seek out help.
Licensed counselor Logan Spicer with ThriveWorks says there are resources available, but more community outreach needs to be done.
Mental health providers getting out into the community, offering support groups, getting their therapist names on online referral lists where you say that you are very willing and accepting of those folks.
Meanwhile, Luma emphasizes showing support often means starting that conversation.
Checking in on each other all of the time, regardless of the season. Obviously, with it being Pride, there's a lot more love and acknowledgement hopefully happening within that, but we want that to happen all of the time.
Lauren Petty, NBC5 News.
Our thanks to Lauren. And the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention is holding that virtual presentation called Talk Saves Lives this week. It's set for Wednesday night at 6:30. If you'd like to participate, we have a link on our website, NBCChicago.com.